Hi everybody, today we are exploring HybridCache, Microsoft's latest caching solution that combines in-memory and distributed caching in a single powerful API. Let's clone the Web API caching memory and use the hybrid branch. We need to run Redis locally with Docker. Let's open VS Code and add the required package Microsoft Extensions Caching Hybrid. In our user service, we replace the traditional caching code with HybridCache simplified API. We need only the single get or create async method to handle all caching logic. We add some console logging to monitor cache behavior and performance. The get or create async is a new method that handles everything automatically. Check in-memory cache first. If not found, check Redis. Is still not found, call our database method, store the result in both cache level, and handle serialization automatically. When we have done this, we can update our program CS. We configure the HybridCache with 2 expiration times, 1 minute for local memory cache and 2 minutes for Redis distributed cache. Okay, now let's test our API. The first call shows cache miss and database fetch. The next call uses the memory cache. If this video was helpful to you, please press the like button and subscribe to the channel. Thanks.